Hey, hi, hello, what is up everyone? We just got back from walking our dog and it's really windy outside, so there is that. But anyways, I forgot to film the intro for this video. So hi, my name is Linnea, and my husband Jonathan, I don't know if you can hear that, is choking in the background on some milk. Anyway, this is a space where we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we can, we do sourdough, we do fun recipes. And in this video, we're doing a fun sourdough discard recipe. So if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If not, well, thank you for being here. And if you're not new here, hi, welcome back. I hope you had a really good day or are having a good day. Anyway, I'm not gonna yap. I feel like I yapped enough probably throughout the video. So let's just go make some sourdough discard chocolate chip banana bread. Thanks, Mom. My mom gave me that sifter because she said I didn't have a proper one. So, thanks, Mom. The recipe, you know what would help if I just did this? Hello. The recipe said that this was going to be tough batter, and it's not tough. And I still have more liquid to add to this, so this might be a disaster. I really love filming disasters. Let's do it. This is so weird to add this like what is this recipe? For the record, it had like a lot of good reviews and I'm following it exactly. That's it. This is just gonna go so poorly. Alright, I did not pour all the batter in here because it really, a different website says to fill it 2/3 full. I think that's 2/3 full. I am following a really, it must be, it's not an American recipe because it said to preheat the oven. just had to preheat the oven to 360 degrees, which my oven does. So I did preheat to 360 degrees. I would do 350 if you're American. But we're doing 360. We're following this recipe exactly. Now I do have a lot of batter left, so I think I'm gonna make muffins with the rest of it because I don't want to waste it, because the price of eggs is like $4 billion at this point. And you know, I put 2 eggs in it, so we're gonna bake this at 360 for 60 to 70 minutes. So let's go figure out if this is gonna turn out or not. All right, so I did make muffins out of these because there was extra batter. You see it? Oh, yeah. It's actually good. The recipe was right. It is actually very good. It doesn't taste too much like sourdough, and I won't lie. A lot of times when I use discard in recipes like this, like especially baked goods like cookies, I don't like the texture that it gives. But I've made a lot of banana bread in my life, and this is no different than any banana bread I've made without sourdough discard. So this is really good. I'll have Jonathan try one and let you know what he thinks. But personally, I think it's really good. And if you just need to like get rid of some discard and you need to get rid of bananas like I did, this is perfect for that. So I will have Jonathan try it. The bread is still in the oven baking. It still has at least 35 minutes left. These muffins only took like maybe 20 minutes or so. So there's that. You can make muffins out of it if you have extra. Or if you just want to do a ton of muffins, you know. Okay, let me go check on the bread. Okay, go.
Go?
Yeah.
Yeah, the muffins are super good.
Well, it was really the bread, but I made it into 6 muffins, and I'm pretty...
How many muffins did I eat?
4.
4.
Jonathan ate 4 of the 6 muffins in one day.
Yeah.
So... What?
I am what?
I mean, in a period of 24 hours, because you ate like 3 yesterday, and then and then you had 1 for breakfast.
Did you make them yesterday?
Yes.
I made them Saturday.
I made them yesterday. So that goes to show you that Jonathan really enjoyed it.
They were nice and moist.
They were, and I don't feel like they're as dense as like regular banana bread or pumpkin bread or any of the such breads.
Yeah.
You guys want to see what Jonathan was playing with?
I think they saw.
Woo! He was playing with that.
No, but it wasn't too noisy.
It probably was. That's okay. Do you have anything else to add about the muffins? Did they taste like sourdough?
No.
I didn't. That's like the first thing I think well, I don't know if you agree. It's the first thing I've ever made with discard that like a dessert. First of all, that didn't really taste overly sourdoughy. Oh, you hold. Am I boring you?
No.
Yeah, I am.
Ooh.
But like, I feel like I've made cookies in the past, and they always kind of have like a bit of a sourdough flavor.
I guess I've never really noticed that. But I don't really notice that sourdough flavor that much, so that's probably why.
Well,
probably bad.
If we have extra bananas again, I'll make it, because it's really good.
Sounds good.
Okay. Do you have anything else to add?
Nope.
No, he's saying goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.